if f of x is equal to the square root of 2x plus 3, find f inverse of x. And that's the notation for inverse. So the first thing we need to do to find the inverse of this function is we let f of x be equal to y. And this is just a straight letter substitution, right? So what we're going to do is just rewrite it like this. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So that was the first step. The second step is to interchange the x's and the y's. So wherever you see a y, you want to write down an x in its place, and wherever you see an x, you want to write down a y in its place, right? So let's rewrite it. This is going to be x is equal to the square root of 2y plus 3. Alright, so that's the second step. And finally, the third step is to solve for y. So now we wanted to get it to look like y is equal to something in terms of x. So, since we want to solve for y, let's rewrite what we've got here. We've got x is equal to the square root of 2y plus 3. So the first thing we want to do with solving for y is we take the square of both sides. So that's going to get rid of the square root on the right side, right? So we're going to get x squared is equal to 2y plus 3. Alright, so now, continuing to solve for y, let's subtract a 3 from each side of the equation. So we get x squared minus 3 is equal to 2y. And then finally, our last step to solve for y is to divide both sides by 2. So our inverse is going to be y is equal to x squared minus 3 over 2. And writing it in function notation, that's f to the negative 1 of x, that's the notation for inverse, is x squared minus 3 over 2.